Have you finished writing your research objectives? Great. The next step is writing your research questions. Many students make the mistake of writing research questions that don't match their research objectives, and that can create problems throughout the entire research process. In this video, I will show you what research questions are, how to write them correctly, and the common mistakes to avoid. So let's begin. So what are research questions? Research questions are the specific questions your study seeks to answer. They are developed directly from your research objectives and guide to your data collection and analysis. A good research question is clear, specific, and then focused. So here are 4 simple steps that will guide you through on how to write research questions. So the first step is start with your research objectives. Your research question should come directly from your specific objectives. For example, let's say your specific objective is to identify the cooperative learning strategies used in the classroom. So this is how your research question should be like. What cooperative learning strategies are used in the classroom? Step 2. Make the question clear. So your research question should be clear that anyone who reads it would understand. Use simple and straightforward language that is easy to understand. Avoid long or confusing questions. The third step is keep the questions focused. Each research question should address only one issue. Don't combine multiple ideas into one question. And the fourth and final step is ensure the questions can be answered. Your research questions should be answerable using the data you plan to collect. Avoid questions that are too broad or impossible to investigate. And here are the steps, and these are the steps that can guide you through in writing research questions. So here are some common mistakes to avoid when writing research questions. So the first one is writing research questions that don't match the objectives. Second is asking vague or overly broad questions. Third is combining several questions into one. And the final one is writing questions that cannot be answered through research. Remember, every specific objective should usually have a corresponding research question. Well-written research questions make your research focused and easier to carry out. If this video has helped you, please like, subscribe, share it with another student who is writing a research project. Now that you have learned how to write research questions, the next step is understanding the significance of the study and how to explain why your research is important. Click on the next video in this chapter 1 series, and I will show you exactly how to write the significance of the study, step by step. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.